Hemp wraps are a great way to bring distinction to your pre-roll brand, and Custom Cones USA offers several options to help make that happen. The biggest difference in hemp wrap types is in how they are produced. Our classic hemp wraps rely on a higher moisture content for their strength, whereas the hybrid hemp wrap includes more paper fibers to ensure they stay together. Both options smoke great and can be had in either green or brown. However, they do require some maintenance in order to ensure that they are processed and experienced well. Here's what you need to make sure things go smoothly. Receive. It all starts with properly storing your hemp wraps, and that process starts with us. By packaging our hemp wraps in humidity packs separately, we avoid issues that are associated with long-term storage. For this reason, we recommend keeping your wraps dry until you are ready to produce pre-rolls. Revive. When the time comes to use your hemp wraps, you'll need to rehydrate them. This process takes around 48 hours, but it is vital in bringing back strength and malleability into the wraps for production. Simply place your hemp wraps in a sealed tub with the provided humidity packs or use a humidor. Retain. Hemp wraps will dry out quickly, so be sure to use them right away when you pull them out of the humidity-controlled environment. They can also dry out in the packaging before they can be enjoyed by your customers. To make sure your customers get the best experience, consider adding humidity packs inside your packaging. Check out our blog if you want to take a deeper dive into everything that goes into taking care of your hemp wraps. Thanks for watching this video on how to store your hemp wraps properly and revive them for production use. For more information about hemp wraps and all the products that we offer related to pre-rolls, go to CustomConesUSA.com and learn more.